Hello, everybody. We're going to make this short, simple, sweet, and to the point. I'm Robin Kearney Frazier. I am the president of Guilds of Requiem. Behind me is Matthew Frazier. He is the treasurer. This is going to be a real quick meeting for the Requiem's Events of Texas. We're going to start off with our update on the LLC that is currently on hold pending finances. It will go through, though. My goal is probably by mid-year next year, if not sooner. It is a process that we have to go through with the consideration that the primary benefactor is Guilds of Requiem. There's special steps that we have to take. This is the last year of Ren Fair Bandera County under the Guilds of Requiem. Should we continue to have the event, it will be under the Requiem's Events of Texas business portion of our network. Homesteaders and Preppers Bazaar, we are on track. Obviously, we didn't have it today. I do apologize for that. My health has been a bit touchy here lately, and that prevented us from being able to do things. Specifically this weekend. It's been a long weekend. The March the 15th is when the Spring Homesteaders and Preppers Bazaar will be. That will be up here at the 8124 State Highway 16 South. If you would like to barter your way into the event, into the space at the event, please let us know at agrarian@guildsofrequiem.com, and that link will be, that email address will be in the description on the YouTube page. We are in need of help. We do have specific areas where it's basic general clearing and taking down old structures and putting up a new one. Other areas we want to be conservative and constructive in the manner in which we are destructive to getting the property ready for events. That is pretty much all that we have. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you next month.